I'm so glad I found Oliver. We worked on releasing my trauma and figure out what was holding me back from being my best self. Why, like, logically, I know the right thing to do, but I just wouldn't do it. I wouldn't stick up for myself. The problem is that if you just go through school, if you just take the ordinary path through life, you might not get the resources and the knowledge to overcome that. But Oliver gave me the tools to overcome my problems in these areas of life. After this coaching with Oliver and just really working through my insecurities, people respect me more now. But most importantly, I respect myself. I'm in a much better place. I have found someone that I know really cares for me, and we recently got engaged. Financially, I'm in a better place. My fiance and I are already planning our wedding. And I'm able to be a role model now for my family, for my friends, and I'm able to have a healthy relationship. And I think that's priceless. So I'm so glad for Oliver. I highly recommend him. If you feel like you're being held back in life, not being your best self, maybe it's insecurity about your relationships, finances, work, whatever, I highly recommend you reach out to Oliver. A couple sessions with him might really change your life for the better.